Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Art of Order. Principles of Classic French Garden Design. The classic French garden, also known as the jardin à la française, is a stunning testament to humankind's desire to impose order and harmony onto nature. Born in the 17th century, this style transforms the landscape into a living work of art. It is a style of grandeur and symmetry, designed to impress and showcase power. Think of the magnificent gardens of the Palace of Versailles, which serve as the ultimate example. Every element is carefully planned to create a sense of perfect balance and calm. Ultimately, it is a garden that celebrates logic, elegance, and control. The most defining principle of a French garden is its strict use of symmetry and geometric shapes. The design is always based on a central axis, often leading directly from the house. This main line is then crossed with perpendicular paths, creating perfect quarters. Lawns, hedges, and flower beds are shaped into precise squares, circles, and triangles. This formal structure creates a sense of order and calmness throughout the entire space. The overall effect is one of perfect balance, where one side of the garden is a mirror image of the other. Directly adjacent to the residence, you will find the intricate parterres. These are elaborate patterns created on the ground using low-growing plants like boxwood hedges. The designs often resemble embroidery patterns, which is why they are sometimes called broderie. The spaces between the hedges were traditionally filled with colored gravel, sand, or low-flowing flowers. These parterres are meant to be viewed from above, from the windows of the house. They act like elegant outdoor carpets, adding immense detail and beauty to the design. The pathways are not just for walking, they are essential design elements. Made from gravel, pale stone, or tightly packed sand, they provide a clean contrast to the green lawns. These paths define the geometric sections and guide the visitor's journey through the garden. Most importantly, they frame long, breathtaking vistas along the central axis. This design encourages you to look outward and appreciate the entire grand scheme. The vistas often lead the eye toward a focal point, such as a statue or a fountain in the distance. Water is absolutely crucial in a French garden, used in very controlled and artistic ways. You will typically find large, reflective pools placed directly on the main axis. These mirrors of water beautifully reflect the sky and the architecture of the house. Fountains and cascades are also common, adding movement, sound, and a dynamic energy. The water features are always geometric in shape, usually circular or rectangular. They serve to enhance the feeling of grandeur and cool elegance.